वेलकम बैक गाइस। आज हम तुम्हें टूर देंगे बोगनविला का। यहाँ है 8-बिट गेम, जिसको मैं पूरे वीडियो में बोलूँगा 80। और यहाँ है 80 की बहन प्रीत केवल रमानी। तो अब हम पूरे बोगनविला का टूर हम यहाँ बाद में जाएंगे। सबसे पहले हम सबसे नीचे वाले हॉल पे जाएंगे, ट्यूलिप हॉल।
First we can go to the first, then we can go to the
ग्रैंड स्टेयरकेस। यस, ओके। तो ये इंग्लिश बोलता है, पता है, तो उसको चैनल में इंग्लिश बोलना अच्छा लगता है। ये हिंदी भी बोल सकता है, पर ये चूज करता है कि वो इंग्लिश में बात करे। तो ये यहाँ एक रेड थीम है और यहाँ पे और ओके, यहाँ स्टेज है। हम 80 को डांस करने बोलने वाले थे, ओके। और पर इस पता नहीं क्या दिखा था। 80 क्या था?
someone standing there.
ओह अच्छा,
तूने हमको इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं किया था।
अरे वो पहले वीडियो में किया था।
वो पहला वीडियो हमने नहीं डिलीट किया।
हाँ,
कब we'll go to the giant stairs.
यस, ठीक है। तो यहाँ हम ग्रैंड स्टेयरकेस से ऊपर आए और यहाँ है लोटस रूम। एक चीज इसका स्पेशल क्या है कि ये सबसे पहला बैंक्वेट था जो बना था, उसके बाद में ऊपर वाले और नीचे वाले बने।
लोटस रूम
यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सिमिलर रेड थीम है। अब चलो 80, तुम्हें डांस करना है।
यस
एटी थोड़ा पागल हो गया है। ओके, मेरे को डांस करना तो नहीं आता है गाइस।
Now you two together. Now we two together.
80 और मैं, हम दोनों करेंगे डांस। इसको कॉपी कर रहा हूँ।
Now please, your turn.
Please, it's your turn now.
She says like, come. Now we'll go outside.
Okay.
Wait. Come, now we'll go to outside. This is the downstairs area which we have gone through the other door. That man was standing there. This is the area. Now we'll go upstairs.
Yes. हाँ, अब हम ऊपर जाते हैं।
I'll give the camera to Arjun. So it's a grand window. See, as you can see that.
और अब यहाँ पे है एक ब्लू, अब यहाँ है हिबिस्कस कॉट।
It's really nice, Arjun.
यहाँ पे अब थीम थोड़ा चेंज हो गया।
Balcony. हाँ, छोटा सा balcony.
यहाँ पे एक बड़ी सी बालकनी है। देखो, सुंदर सी बालकनी। और अगर हम अंदर जाए तो तुम ये चीज एक नोटिस कर सकते हो कि यहाँ की थीम थोड़ी चेंज हो गई है। यहाँ की थीम ब्लू है।
The themes are changing as the flower names are changing.
यस,
Come, we'll go to the upstairs.
यस।
Show them the stage.
ये यहाँ पे भी एक स्टेज है जहाँ पे काम चल रहा है। और अब हमारा है लास्ट एंड फाइनल हॉल।
It's upstairs.
हाँ
It's upstairs. He's a psych. The window again. The window again.
Another big window.
Someone's house is there.
No, ये बोगनविला का ही पार्ट लगता है.
I think it's a part of Bougainvillea too. Let it be.
नहीं बोगनविला का नहीं है. बोगनविला का नहीं है. Sorry, it's not बोगनविला's part.
It's not doing. Some birthday party is there, I think so.
Yeah. There's some birthday party today. But
Orchard Hall.
Orchard Hall is a little smaller.
It's a smaller hall. Where is the place?
The theme here is yellow or orange.
See, the stage. Some photos are there.
Yeah,
In the stage.
because of it's some kid's birthday.
I don't know the theme name. Where it be? So, more pie today. It's Arjun's banquet. It's nice. Arjun's banquet. See the people here.
Yeah, here are the stars.
Arjun, what's upstairs?
Upstairs is the 4th floor, and here you can also see the rooms are starting here.
Want to go?
No, you can't, bro. पागल हो गए? पागल.
Come, we'll go downstairs.
Now upstairs.
Arjun, we cannot go upstairs because there's the roof, so we are going downstairs.
No, upstairs 4th floor है.
Oh, we can go.
I don't know. पर वहाँ पे banquets नहीं है. वहाँ पे बस.
There's the banquet, I think so.
No, आधा तो खुला है.
Oh no. We're not going. We're not going.
Okay, it's a little different up here, but we don't have a hall here.
Come, show them. Oh. Just show them from
So
here.
all we have through here and through here, and there is just rooms. It's just rooms and a bit of construction. Now upstairs we can't go.
We can't go upstairs because there's the roof. I
Yes.
think so. There's the roof.
Yes, there is.
Today, it's 14th January, so it's the kite flying day. So today we'll kite fly in the roof. And I think we can vlog on kite flying and we can show you the roof too. But not now. After 1 hour or half an hour, I think so. The birthday party hall, Orchard Hall. Yes.
Let the party be finished, then we can just fly the kite.
Yes. No, it's like in 1 hour or half an hour.
Yeah, because during the party we can't go up. That's why.
Yes.
So we are at this spot.
The hibiscus floor. You want to sleep with it? The hibiscus court. More downstairs.
सबसे नीचे वाला था ट्यूलिप हॉल और जहाँ पे हमने ग्रैंड स्टेयरकेस से गए थे. हाँ, और ये वाला hibiscus court और टॉप वाला है ऑर्चिड हॉल.
The last room. The lotus room. Okay? So I'll tell you once more. The underground part is the
It's tulip.
It's the tulip hall, the underground part, and now the middle part, the loaded room, and the upper,
The one
first floor,
up. Then
the one
the
up.
first floor. No.
The first,
I think second floor.
the second floor has
has hibiscus.
hibiscus, and on the last floor, third floor has the orchard hall.
Fourth floor
So that's
just
the
has.
loaded hall. And bye guys, we'll go in the kite flying after half an hour. Now going to fly the kite and the roof. I said, oh, we can go through the lift also.
Yes,
so we're going to
80.
the lift. Because the lift is faster than the staircase. I think so.
अच्छा इसलिए
कहते शॉर्ट के लिए उसने नेम रिवील नहीं किया है. तो कभी भी 80 बोलते हैं.
Off.
80 आजा ना. 80, me and everyone has reached upstairs.
See, we have reached success. Do you know Arjun and me are making one more channel? Please subscribe to our channel. We will make songs and there's a band. We will make a band. See the kite, our kite. It's a kite.
80 तुमने पहले भी तुम्हारा खुद का नाम बोल दिया था ना जब तुम चैनल का नाम बोल रहे थे.
No.
नहीं तो क्या था चैनल का नाम फिर जो दूसरा चैनल हम दोनों का.
Or we have not decided yet. Okay,
Yes.
so just shut up and bend over. Now, I'll fly the kite.
Okay. 80 if anybody 80 if your face is shown then I'll just blur it out. Okay,
You know how to blur it out?
I'll see if we can. I don't know if Kind Master lets us do that. Yes, I want to. 80, please hold the camera.
See the kite. Arjun will going to fly.
Let me make it in the air.
See, Arjun is holding the thing which we use to fly the kite. It's not the dangerous one. It's the friendly one. And he's flying the kite. See now Prit is holding this and Arjun will fly the kite. Pull that thread, Arjun!
Okay, 80.
Can I fly?
Yeah, 80 is going to fly now. Yes, 80 को उड़ाने दोगे क्या? 80 मेरा दोस्त, उसका नेम रिवील नहीं हुआ उसके चैनल पे, इसलिए मैं उसको 80 बोल रहा हूँ.
80.
हाँ.
Yeah, let me just put it in the air. Let me let it settle in the air and give it. It's still not in the air.
He's setting the kite in the air.
Okay.
He hold the kite. We are making the kite.
hold this. अरे मैंने थोड़ा zoom in किया है. 80 hold this. 80 hold this.
No, I don't want to.
Oh my god, the thread is stuck. Huh?
The thread is stuck in it. So I will hold the camera for it. They are making the kite. Should I fly the kite?
Okay, 80, you can fly the kite now.
See that kite?
the camera.
Please subscribe to my channel. My channel is very good. Bye. And Arjun too. We are making a channel collab in the channel. See, guys. Talking to someone.
ठीक है.
Please hold the camera.
Okay, 80. नहीं नाइलॉन नहीं है ये.
It's the safe one.
This is the safe one.
चलो उड़ाते हैं kite. Let's fly a kite. I don't know. They are helping us to fly the kite. They are only taking the kite in the air, then we'll fly the kite.
कभी 80 का नाम मत लेना असली नाम.
कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है.
I don't know who are they. Arjun's cousins or what, I don't know.
ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो
Means the kite.
80 हमने वीडियो के पहले जो हमने रैंडम पर्सन जो तुम्हें पर्सन दिखा था ऑर्चिड हॉल में वो कौन कैसे दिख रही थी, लड़का की लड़की?
It was a boy and I heard a sound.
Oh boy, so how did he look?
I don't know. I heard a sound of a boy screaming. I think
But
you
I did not hear it.
You cannot hear it in the video because it's a very low scream.
But
I
heard yaar.
Because you are deaf.
Bro,
You are deaf.
I'll do your best.
Come. Kite is ready.
Please stop the video for some time.
Kite. Arjun, please take this.
Can't you fly?
Arjun, I'll fly the kite, okay? You record the video.
Okay, 80 is going to fly the kite.
Just make it in the air.
तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कई गुजारे मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे नजरों के सामने मैं आता नहीं तुम्हारे मगर रहते.
Okay, हम वीडियो को 1-2 मिनट के लिए स्टॉप कर रहे हैं.
No, don't pause the video.
Okay. Okay, 80.
You remember the repair of the kite. Show them the repair of the kite.
इस दर्द में जिंदगी खुशहाल है.
They are only making the kite fly in the air. Then I'll do that.
Yes.
Arjun, you fly or not?
Come, Arjun. Fast. Show them.
पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल.
We are going in a secret place, I think so.
No, this is not secret.
I think it's the emergency stairs.
It's not secret.
Huh? What area is this? I don't think so. It's a safe area. I think so. I don't think so. It's a safe area. See, we can see them.
एटी मैं पहले उड़ाऊं.
Okay, you fly first.
आपको देता हूँ फिर.
Yes, first Arjun, then me.
भैया नीचे उड़ाओगे क्या?
See.
बस ऊपर कर दो
The worker is helping us to make the kite fly in the air, then we will fly, make it fly even more high. Oh no.
एक मिनट सर को बोल
Of this thing. Meet is holding this, and Arjun is standing like a stupid boy.
वहाँ पे करो वहीं पढ़ो
Yes, it's not a safe area.
वहीं पे जा अर्जुन
Come, we'll go downstairs.
Okay, AD, let's go downstairs.
It's a bigger house. So, there's ladder.
So we are going from the north
This thing's to eat.
पैर देखना अर्जुन
Arjun, hold this.
Okay.
Can you fly the kite now? Huh?
Just kidding, just kidding.
Can I fly first? Arjun, can I fly first?
Okay, you may fly first. Okay.
I don't know how to fly the kite, so that made it happen.
Should I do your face reveal here?
No, not now. Oh! Arjun is a very bad camera guy. I'm a professional guy.
Who asked?
Arjun is upside down now. Arjun is upside down.
Upside down.
Oh, Arjun! Oh, Arjun! Oh, they're just passing you. There's no upside down. That's good. Oh.
Upside down, bro. I'm upside down, sir.
Yes, I know. Because you're a dumb shit. Or something like that, I don't know. Just like the kite.
उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग उड़ी उड़ी जाए तेरा मेरा पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए
Just put the kite in the air. Then I'll fly. I'm looking weird, I know. This is not my permanent mask in my videos, and this will not post in my channel. It will post in Arjun's channel, and I am in Arjun's channel now. My channel is 8-Bit Game. Subscribe to my channel also. my permanent mask, I will show you in my channel. This is my temporary mask because I forgot my mask at my home and I was at Arjun's home. So I wore Arjun's mask. Arjun with a psych guy. Do you know there was a World War III between Arjun and me? In third standard, now we are fourth. World War III. But now we are best friends after World War III. We don't want a World War IV. Oh, there guys. Moti. Arjun. Please don't do it.
Can you just do a face reveal?
No.
Okay, guys. 18.
I will do the festival when I will get silver play button.
Okay. And what about the name? What about the name reveal, 18?
I will reveal my name after 500 steps. After 500 subscribers. Subscribe to me if you want to know my name. And subscribe to me if you want to know if you want to see my face.
If any of you want to know his name or want to see his face, then subscribe. I'm watching you. And subscribe to me too. I'm watching you.
If you get subscribed, a tarantula will crawl on your bed when you are sleeping and he will eat you.
We have done that to many people right now. So subscribe. We are watching you.
See the kite fly. Arjun, there's a kite. I want to fly a kite.
Here it is, but there is no wind. If there is no wind, then how will we fly out?
But there's a kite flying. There, kite is flying. But there's a kite flying. But there is a kite flying in the air. Oh, it disappeared, I think so.
No people, I see it, but the
It's like a man. Okay, our kite is there. Our kite is there. Our kite is there. Arjun, yes? Our kite is there?
that's not our kite, I think that's our kite.
Yes. We
Our
changed the
kite was
kite.
like
Oh,
that.
yeah. This worker is very professional. This professional. No. Oh no! Our kite crashed. Oh, he will fall down. He's eating. He's very fat.
Tell your face reveal. Should I do your name reveal?
No. Please, sorry. Oh, our kite, see. He's making it fly. There's no air, so I think so our kite will not fly. We will try. So bye guys. I will try kite fly. Bye.
Remember to like and subscribe.
And subscribe to 8-Bit Games and Arjun Universe. And we are collaborated in Arjun Universe channel. And we both are making one channel. So bye channel.